Hey, Joseph Lebrecq here, and I'm going to be showing some improvements to a build of drop folders that I've made public today. So we can see here we're at the Air Marketplace at adobe.com. You can get there by going airmarketplace.adobe.com. And if you do a little search up here for drop folders, you'll get to this page, which has a link to the drop folders application. So if we download from Publisher, it'll bring you to this page here where it has more information about drop folders. And you can see here that we have two versions for Windows now. This is the older one, 1.0.41, and then we have the current version, which is 1.0.63. So I'm going to click on that and save him. And right now we only have a Windows executable. It was attempted to create a version for Apple's OS X, but you can read more about this here. It's got some problems which seem to have something to do with the text layout framework and the Spark components being used in this project. So now that we've downloaded this, we can open it up. And you can see here that we already have drop folders 1.0.39 on this machine. So we're going to replace it with 1.1.63. And there are some differences in the database between both versions, but it should just convert your database for you. So you shouldn't have any problems with that if you already have presets created. So you can see I have a saved preset right here called demo, and it points to certain watch and destination folders. One of the new things that we have up here are different presets that we can place into drop folders. So a lot of the feedback I received had to do with, people saying, well, a lot of people don't know what sort of arguments to put in for Handbrake to correctly process their videos. So we can put in the presets used for the University of Denver for our base transcoding needs. There is the normal preset, which comes with Handbrake, and also the iPod preset, which comes with Handbrake. So if we do have any more of these, we'll probably just have a little drop down or something. Definitely let me know what presets would make sense for your use. We've also got the option here to now preserve original files. So before, drop folders would run and you would get, any sort, it would transcode the file and then get rid of it. It would be deleted. So now if you want to preserve the original files, you can tick this box right here, and what will happen is within your watch folder, will generate a subfolder called original files. And as the files get processed, transcoded, the transcoded files will show up within your destination folder. And the original files, once it's completed, will be moved into the original files folder within your watch folder. Something else that's new is that previous to this, the queue of videos would be saved to the user account as they're being processed on the machine. And this was problematic for people using external drives, using very large files. So what we've done is we've actually created the video queue as a subfolder of the watch folder. So the watch folder could potentially have two subfolders in it, one for the video queue and one for original files after everything's been processed. Another change is that in the destination folder, any rejected files are now logged to a rejected files subfolder within the destination folder. And this is also to get around, people who are using huge files and, they don't want that to be saved to the desktop as it was previously. So setting these watch and destination folders now are really the only two locations that you have to worry about when you're, setting up your presets. So that's kind of convenient, as well as being, making a lot more sense for heavy video producers. And that's about it. Other than that, things should pretty much work the same as they do, have previously. Like I said, we're working on getting an Apple version running, but it's a little problematic at this point, so we'll see what happens. Thank you.